Joining me now, Neama Rahmani, former federal prosecutor and president of West Coast Trial Lawyers. Neama, nice to see you. Thanks for being back with us. Let's take both of these, all right? Let's start with that late breaking news that Brian just gave us as we're looking at someone on the stand there and not Tyler Robinson. What do you make of the lip reading concerns? And is that going to stay for the entirety of this trial?
Potentially, yes. And Blake, thanks for having me. This has been going on for a very long time. So Judge Graff, in this case, he's trying to balance two concerns. Obviously, Tyler Robinson's right to a fair trial under the Sixth Amendment. But there's also a First Amendment presumption that our trials in this country are open to the public. So obviously this case is getting a lot of media attention. Erica Kirk also believes, the victim, that the trial should be open to the public and it should be televised. So there was a whole discussion in the beginning about decorum and what the cameraman can film and what he can't. And there was a discussion of, you know, don't film him being shackled, right? That's prejudicial. And apparently he zoomed in on Tyler Robinson's face and there were concerns about lip reading. So now we can't show him, at least for this proceeding.
All right, let's go to the issue that started the day, which is whether or not the prosecution should be kicked off this case. As Brian laid out, one of the adult children of the prosecuting office was in attendance at that event. Is that valid, or is this a delay tactic from the Robinson defense team?
Look, I'm as pro-prosecution as they come. I understand why the defense is doing this. When you're handling a death penalty case, it's not just about the trial. You're trying to set up issues for appeal. There's mandatory state and federal appeals. So sometimes the best defense is a good offense. And by putting the prosecution on its heels, that may give you some leverage to negotiate some sort of plea. I don't think this is going to win. The standard is significant risk of actual bias. Someone's daughter being in the crowd who reportedly didn't even witness the shooting, but just happened to be there, I don't think that's enough. But this judge is doing things very deliberately. He has to create a record because it's not just this case. We're going to be talking about this years from now if Tyler Robinson is convicted and sentenced to death. He's not going to be executed anytime soon. We know it can take sometimes up to a decade or more. That's why this is happening today.
All right, we'll leave it there. Neama Rahmani, as our live coverage continues here on NewsNation and into the evening. Thanks for the perspective and insight. Appreciate it.